Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Natural Remedies. I'm Tracy. Joint pain is a widespread issue that affects people of all ages. It can result from arthritis, injuries, or chronic inflammation. While medications and therapies are available, many people seek natural remedies to alleviate and potentially cure their joint pain permanently. In this video, we will explore 5 foods that are known to help cure joint pain naturally and promote long-term joint health. 1. Black beans. Black beans are rich in antioxidants, particularly flavonoids and polyphenols, which help reduce inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is a key contributor to joint pain, particularly in conditions such as arthritis. By combating inflammation, black beans can help alleviate pain and improve joint function. 2. Watercress. Watercress is an excellent source of vitamin K, supporting overall joint health. Vitamin K is essential for bone health and plays a crucial role in bone mineralization and blood clotting. Adequate vitamin K intake helps maintain strong bones and reduces the risk of osteoarthritis, a common cause of joint pain. 3. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are an excellent source of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid that has anti-inflammatory properties. Adding flax seeds to your diet can help reduce inflammation and joint pain. Sprinkle ground flax seeds on your cereal, yogurt, or salads, or add them to smoothies for a nutritious boost. 4. Olive oil. Olive oil, a staple of the Mediterranean diet, is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. It contains oleocanthal, a compound with effects similar to non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs. Regular consumption of olive oil can reduce inflammation and joint pain. Use extra virgin olive oil as a salad dressing, drizzle it over cooked vegetables, or use it as a cooking oil. 5. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant which has significant anti-inflammatory properties, which help reduce inflammation in the joints. Not only that, sweet potatoes are a good source of manganese, which plays a role in enzyme functions related to the formation and repair of joint cartilage. Adequate manganese intake supports joint health and can help reduce the risk of joint pain and arthritis. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe and click the bell button for more videos of mine. Thank you.